Let's go next to British American tobacco. 44 cigarette factories, 39 countries, the big four principal brands, the drive brands, they call them Dunhill, Kent, Lucky Strike and Pall Mall. The news at the moment, though, is that they're trying to buy out the minorities in Reynolds American, which is a business they already own 42% of. Market capitalization, it's London listed, but if you take the rand equivalent, that's 1.4 trillion rand, price earnings ratio 18.5, dividend yield 4.25. Update quickly here. I mean, the overall story is one of continued success. Share price has been a little bit weak lately, but how are you feeling about these guys?
It's a hugely paradoxical story. This, on the one hand, you think, well, you know, they're just peddling these drugs basically, and you know, it's still an amazing market for this, Paul. I find it a foul habit, and it literally gets right up my nose. But having said that, there are enough people all around the world who will insist on killing their health with this type of thing. And the growth in certain developing markets is still going very, very strongly.
Yeah.
So it's a remarkable
And even in
story.
developed markets, because of the high taxes, they've been able to push through price increases, and people just kind of seem to think, well, the price is going up, must be the government's fault, so then they don't worry about it, they just carry on consuming.
All that happens is when you have the price increase, people move from one brand to another, they maybe go down market a bit, and when finances permit, they go back to their global drive brands, for example.
But we know that young people are smoking a bit less than they used to, a bit less. I don't want to make it sound as though the habit is going out of business, it's not. At the current price level, it has kind of come off a bit. I suspect some of that coming off on the local share price has to do with the rand-pound thing going against them for a while. Yes. But how do you feel about the company? In your portfolios? Not?
I like the company. It's in our portfolios. We've had it as a core holding for a long, long time. But this is very much a Brexit play. If you believe that the UK is going to recover from the whole Brexit thing, and I see in the news this morning that the exit from the EU may now take years because of legal and parliamentary approval that's going to be required. So that may make the pound go a little bit stronger. So that actually could help the situation as far as South African investors are concerned.
I'm going to go not hot on this one, though. It's not a comfortable buy for me, but how do you feel, though? You're saying maybe?
I've been very comfortable with this thing for years, and nothing's really changed my mind on this one. I like it. I'm hot on it.
And you're going hot also on that issue related to the pound.